And our crew's coming in on final approach, and we do got a little wind and current today down here at Boynton. Let's see how our crew handles it. Cap's making the turn in, but that stern's kicking out a little bit. He's probably going to have to reline this one back up. He's going to try and make the approach though still, but it's a little tough. With the wind and current blowing like this, if you're off, you're going to be off. Yeah, he's going to have to back out on this one. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and we are at Boynton today. And our guy's going to try and reset this one up. We do have something interesting going on to the left of this scene as well. I believe the truck on the far left ramp is stuck. I don't think they can pull out, because they keep backing in and out. We can't get a better shot because we've got a tree in the way right here. But if you kind of watch them, they're also they're stuck on the ramp right now. So they're trying to pull out one more time, but we're spinning tires and we're not getting anywhere on that one. They're probably going to have to adjust some people and try and get them on the rear of the truck. And our cap here is going to try and reline this vessel as well. It's been a slick one down here today. Even this boat that's loading, I won't be shocked if they have trouble as well. A lot of the bigger boats we've seen pull out of here today, they've almost all had trouble unless the truck had four-wheel drive. I still haven't seen a real shuffle by this truck on the left, though, to try and get people moved over to where they can get some weight on the tailgate of this truck. Or at least move these people that are still on the boat all the way to the bow of the boat. Just get as much of the weight as far forward as you can. They're trying to see if they can get the boat lined up right, but that's not going to be the help there. They've got to get the boat further forward on the trailer. So our guy here is starting to line his up. He's got a good line this time. It looks like they'll probably get this one on. And there we go. The guy on the left, it's tough to tell from the shot angle, but it looks like they're moving everybody to the front of the bow of the boat. So hopefully that can help them get this out of here. And we're still spinning. Gives it a little bit of a running start. Is he going to get it this time? No, I actually thought they had it that time. They got some momentum, and I was thinking they were going to be able to keep that momentum going and get it out, but it's just stalled out on them again. Just got to get some more weight on this tailgate. And they're trying everything they can. And this one's interesting too. So the boat that we're focused on here in the center, he's still got his motors running and they're about to pull out. I know I just saw the driver get in the truck. Oh, they're not even going to play. They're going to go for the power out to make sure they don't have the same issue our guy on the left is having. And they'll go ahead and successfully get that one out, but now hopefully they can go over here and give this crew that's on the far left dock a little bit of a hand, and maybe they can help them get that truck out. And here comes our crew approaching the dock. And we got a line on the ready. Oh, Cap's coming in a little hot. Watch out. Goes for the leap, and Cap puts the brakes on, and I got a little nervous there for a second. I mean, Cap was coming in pretty hot. And, oh, we're not done yet. We're not on the dock. Sometimes you speak a little too soon. And they're trying to get the bow line off, but we got our guy on the dock now, and he has two lines, so we should be able to get this one pulled over. Oh, Cap out of gear. Just a little bit too much momentum. But when I saw him gun that throttle the first time, I thought for sure this boat might be running up the ramp. But he put the brakes on pretty quick, and our guy on the dock was able to grab that stern line and kind of pull him over, and we should be good to go at this point. So our captain here came over and tied a line, so we're trying to do the solo launch, but this is definitely, I don't want to call it a strange technique because I've seen it done plenty of times down here at the ramp. So he came over and tied the line, left slack in the line to hope to push the boat off the trailer, but then he didn't quite come deep enough because the boat's still kind of attached to the trailer. Usually when I see somebody do this, they let it float off and then they walk up and pull the boat in. I'm assuming, I mean, the stern's floating, so he probably will be able to pull it off. But he's going to grab the line and just try and pull it off. I'm just not sure. When he set that one up the first time, I'm just not sure why he didn't just back it up another foot or two and tap the brake. It looks like he got it to break free right there. But this will also be a little interesting with one line because, as you can tell from the stern direction, the wind and current's pushing today. And it's going to push this vessel away from him. And here we go, going to get a little sideways action. So now he'll have to walk this one up to get it straightened back out. But this is going to be tough. That wind and current, the second he tries to get this boat back where the side's on the dock, that wind and current's just going to grab it again and try and pull it away from him. I'm not sure why he didn't have a second line set out, especially doing it the way he did it right there. I mean, it's fighting him. He's trying to battle this as much as he can to get it back over. But the wind and current, I mean, he's finally starting to get somewhere. But for the most part, the wind and current is winning the battle. And he's working on getting it, and he should have it now. But I don't know if he's got a second line out there or not. That's going to make it difficult because the second he lets go, it's just going to happen again. Ah, there we go. He's going to move from the bow and put the cleat at the mid-cleat, which should help because he can get this one tight enough now where the boat will kind of stay in. But you can just tell how much effort he's having to put in to even get this close. It's tough on those windy days. On those windy days, you definitely need to make sure that you have your lines on the ready and ready to go. Because right here, even so, he put it, I thought he was going to go mid-cleat, but he goes to the stern. Now the bows is going to kick out with the wind and current. And he's going to have to walk that one back in again as well. But definitely on these kind of days, having everything ready to go at the dock is absolutely the key. But it looks like he's got it, and he'll get it tied up, and he'll be able to get on out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet, Miami, Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.